the installation of the Hydromassage Bathtub cannot be approved as it stands. National Electrical Code Section 400.87 states that conductors for permanently connected appliances shall be installed as specified by the equipment manufacturer's instructions. The manufacturer's instructions take precedence regarding the installation of the appliance. In this specific scenario, the manufacturer's instructions for the Hydromassage Bathtub stipulate that the cord for the pump motor must reach the receptacle outlet. This requirement is in place for safety reasons. Proper connection of the cord ensures correct operation of the appliance and helps prevent electrical hazard. The fact that the pump motor cord does not reach the receptacle outlet violates National Electrical Code Section 400.87. Furthermore, National Electrical Code Section 210.5C2 addresses receptacle outlet placement. This section mandates that receptacle outlets be located such that the plug of the appliance cord can be inserted or withdrawn without moving the appliance. If the cord cannot reach the receptacle without undue strain or appliance movement, this section is also violated. In addition to these requirements, National Electrical Code Section 422.44 specifies that branch circuits for hydromassage bathtubs shall serve only these appliances. This means that the branch circuit dedicated to the hydromassage bathtub cannot supply power to any other loads. Given this requirement, there is no possibility of utilizing another receptacle outlet on a different circuit to power the bathtub. To rectify the violation and achieve code compliance, the contractor has two primary options. Firstly, the contractor could extend the pump motor cord so that it reaches the receptacle outlet. This extension must be performed in a manner that maintains the integrity and safety of the cord. Secondly, the contractor could install a new receptacle outlet closer to the hydromassage bathtub. This new receptacle outlet must be positioned such that the pump motor cord can reach it without any strain or the need to move the appliance. The selection of the appropriate method will depend on the specific circumstances of the installation and the requirements of the local electrical inspector. It is important to remember that adherence to the manufacturer's instructions and the National Electrical Code is paramount in ensuring the safe and proper operation of electrical appliances. Failure to comply with these requirements can lead to electrical hazards, equipment malfunction, and potential injury. In this instance, the manufacturer's requirements were not met, and therefore National Electrical Code Section 400.87 was violated. Additionally, based on the explanation, it appears that National Electrical Code Section 210.5C2 was also violated. This section requires that receptacle outlets be located so that the appliance cord can be plugged in without moving the appliance. Since the cord does not reach, that means the device would have to move to be plugged in. Lastly, National Electrical Code Section 422.44 comes into play, dictating that branch circuits for hydromassage bathtubs should exclusively serve these appliances, and that no other devices should be powered from this one. The violation can be corrected firstly by extending the pump motor cord so it reaches the receptacle outlet, and secondly, by installing a new receptacle outlet closer to the hydromassage bathtub. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, is a comprehensive set of standards and guidelines for electrical installations in the United States. It is developed and published by the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, and is updated every 3 years. The NEC is not itself a law, but it is widely adopted by state and local jurisdictions as the basis for their electrical codes. The purpose of the NEC is to safeguard persons and property from hazards arising from the use of electricity. It covers a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. Compliance with the NEC is essential for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical systems. Article 400 specifically addresses flexible cords and flexible cables. Section 400.8 outlines uses not permitted for flexible cords and cables. Among the prohibited uses is as a substitute for the fixed wiring of a structure. In the presented scenario, the reliance on the manufacturer-supplied cord necessitates adherence to its specified length and intended connection point. Altering or extending this cord to reach an improperly located receptacle would directly contravene the prohibitions outlined in Section 400.8. specifically Item 7, which mandates adherence to manufacturer's instructions. Article 210 of the NEC deals with branch circuits, which are the circuits that supply power to outlets and appliances. Section 210.5 specifically addresses color coding for branch circuits. It ensures that different voltage systems are easily identifiable, which is essential for safety during installation and maintenance. For example, if a building has both 120 volts and 277 volts systems, the wires for each system must be color-coded differently. This helps prevent accidental connections between systems which could cause damage or injury. Subsection C2 directly calls out that receptacle outlet shall be located so that the plug of the appliance cord can be inserted or withdrawn without moving the appliance. In this case, the cord is not long enough, so it would require the movement of the appliance to be plugged in. Article 422 in the NEC pertains to appliances, covering a wide range of electrical equipment used in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. Section 422.44 focuses on specific requirements for hydromassage bathtubs, addressing the unique electrical safety considerations associated with these appliances due to their proximity to water. Subsection A specifically addresses branch circuit requirements, including the permitted use of these branch circuits. The NEC serves as the cornerstone for electrical safety, providing detailed guidelines for installations. Key sections like 400.8 focusing on the correct use of flexible cords, and 210.5 mandating appropriate receptacle placement are crucial. Additionally, 422.44 sets specific standards for hydromassage bathtubs. Understanding and adhering to these regulations ensures electrical systems are both safe and compliant.